Are you ready to align your spiritual path with the universal laws that govern energy, soul growth, and divine order? This is more than a class. It's a 6-week journey into the heart of spiritual natural law, designed for spiritualists, mediums, healers, and spiritual seekers interested in metaphysics, spirituality, ethics, and natural law philosophy. This course explores multiple spiritual natural laws each week with interactive exercises, real life spiritual examples, and guidance on how to blend these laws into a cohesive spiritual lifestyle. You'll experience guided meditations, intuitive exercises, and soul deep discussions with a community of kindred spirits. If you want to be part of this experience, but you can't join at the time we're going live, the video will be available for 1 week after each class for registered students. Whether you're a seasoned spiritualist or you're just beginning your spiritual journey, this course will help you embody the laws of spirit in a way that's practical, powerful, and personal. Join me, align with spiritual truth, live the laws of spirit. Your soul is ready.